If you're doing one of those at-home workouts to lose fat that you found on YouTube, there's a good chance that you're wasting your time if it falls into one of these two categories. But there is hope because I'm going to tell you how to fix both of them really easily coming up. Okay, so number one, if your at-home workout is an abs-only workout, you are burning very little calories. That is never going to work. We cannot spot reduce and lose stomach fat by just working out our abs. The abs don't burn many calories. You need to be working out your total body. So something like a stair stepper or a TRX straps that hang in your basement or on a door, or better yet, a cardio machine like a treadmill or an exercise bike or the Rogue Echo bike or something. I'll leave links for these in the description, but you need to be working out your total body. That's going to burn calories, and that is what matters for losing body fat, is burning calories. The second problem that typically comes up with these workouts that you find on YouTube is they're too intense or they're too easy. I'll start with the too easy. Your workout cannot be done in 10 minutes and you find long-term success. If you're looking to literally build up your abs, sure, 10 minutes a day is fine. But you cannot lose body fat 10 minutes a day. It's just too good to be true. They're just trying to get you to click on their video, and they're probably doing a good job. Then you have the other end of the spectrum, the P90X style exercise, where you're jumping around, it's super intense, and be honest with yourself, you dread those, don't you? It can lead to injury, you don't like the workouts, and so you quit them, and you can't keep it up, and that's what leads to you just doing the same old thing and making the resolution again next year. Steady state is the way to go. Some type of cardio that I mentioned in the first point, or a TRX, or a stair stepper, something that you can keep up, that you do not dread. You can throw in some headphones and you can do day in, day out, with off days, of course, maybe once, twice a week, but something that you can keep up for a long time. That's what's going to lead to calories burned and you keeping with it and actually reaching your goals this year. I know you can do this. You got this. Subscribe to the channel and I'll keep giving you tips on how to finally reach that goal.